everyone, I am Tripti Venkatesh and I am from the 2016-18 SGM batch. Currently I am working as an associate HR consultant at Oracle and here I am today to talk to you about rewards and recognition at an organization. Rewards and recognitions for an organization is important for obvious reasons. It is mainly to keep your performers or your employees across all levels motivated and satisfied. While these two terms are often used together, they are similar with certain differences, but the end motive of both these aspects is to provide that satisfaction and motivation to your employees. Starting off with the rewards aspect of it, it can be monetary, non-monetary or psychological, but like I said, the main agenda or the main goal should be to provide that motivation and that satisfaction to your employees. Now this can be monetary, like a certain stock plan or a certain bonus or some kind of a gift voucher that can be given to the employee when a certain target is achieved or when they overachieve or go above and beyond their expectations. While coming to the non-monetary aspect, it can be something as simple as a certain certificate or giving them a certain badge or a certain trophy or a memento, or even have a whole rewards function or an award night just to give them that wow factor and to give them that motivation and importance that they are valued and recognized. Now, psychological aspect is where your recognition factor comes in. It is essentially giving the employees a feeling that their hard work is valued, that their achievements are being observed, and you can also do a lot of things. It can be as simple as sending an email to an employee who has overachieved by marking the business head, or even curating a learning program with whatever resources that are available within your organization and involving your business head, just so that the employees feel like they're getting that level of visibility. So creating that visibility in the recognition aspect is something that is very important. Now, these two factors depend on a lot of other factors that is available in an organization. For example, in the current times that we are in the COVID era, where budgets are a constraint across many organizations, the recognition aspect is something that is taking over now, and the main motive across organizations is to provide that motivation and satisfaction to employees through recognition. So a lot of aspects do need to be taken into consideration while creating an R&R program, main one being budget, and of course other aspects like how your company wants to portray it and what is most important to the company. That was just a bit of a small snapshot of the R&R aspect. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.